Walking away from YouTube. The idea of me walking away from YouTube as a means of share have crossed my mind. You may think it may arise from the taunting and trolling my channel have endured during the past year. In part this may have been a push, but this is not the deciding factor. We live in a world where we as humans cannot survive on our own. If attempted as social creatures, humans will not be emotionally or physically stable. Trust and friendship is a coupled trait very difficult to find online. For me, leaving YouTube would be a breeze. But right now it keeps me focused. Should I step away from YouTube, I would have to find another active task which would encourage communication with persons and inspire real frank discussion. Nothing here on planet Earth lasts forever. Only salvation, if you believe in religion, can compare to being immortal. As I journey through this paradigm of social media, sharing ideas, and communicating with others throughout the world, I stop at times to consider whether or not fish tubing is worth it. For many it is not. I have seen really brilliant persons quit YouTube and have become a mere spectator. Perhaps I am on my way to that arena, who will tell. I am saddened by far, of the fact that so much energy is being exercised into several channels, yet they are not being viewed as expected. I view my channel as a sociological scope. One which looks at human relationships along with the hobby of fish keeping. So you may say, enough with the talking, where is the fish? Well, as a sociology lecturer, I believe learning is a social concept, and that this social sphere helps to mirror one's personality and being. Philosophically speaking, you are what you speak. Thus, as I progress being a YouTuber, I have learned how to use this paradigm to teach and relate to people while learning more about the science of people and wildlife. So as I end, I share the reality, that, when the music stops, according to Eminem, the creature created by YouTube as a result of my activity on YouTube, should help to shape my focus on life, people, and the relationship which coexist between all concerned. I wish to be remembered in a positive image rather than being considered repulsive and arrogant. What says you? How will you be remembered? Thanks for stopping by.